of how you can interpret the footprint charts and the order flow charts, right? So footprint charts give you the order flow. And so this here over here represents 110 for 484. So that means that there's roughly 4 times as many aggressive buyers than sellers, right? So the market continues to move up. So we can see the market being rewarded at this area, right? We can see the same kind of thing happening over here, where really what we can see is we see 139 for 346. So roughly, what is that, 2.5 times, 3 times as many aggressive buyers as there are sellers. So we can see aggressive buyers hitting the ask, driving price higher. So coming into this area, this kind of 4-hour supply area, we had a ton of aggressive buyers. Same thing over here, right? If we just read this number, we saw a lot of aggressive buyers, right? 71 for 275 resting over here. So we can see significant ask volume compared to the bid, which means that buyers are going in with market prices. Buyers are aggressive. But the question now is, are buyers in control? Now, this is super important to understand. Now, this was a green candle, right? This here was a green candle before we had the large meltdown. But what you need to understand, if we go to the regular candlestick chart, right, this particular area, if we look over here in this region, we saw a huge amount of aggressive buyers, right? So these aggressive buyers were driving the price higher. So what we had over here is we had the ask, which was a lot greater than the bid, right? This means that buyers, let me spell that right. This means that buyers are aggressive, right? Buyers are aggressive in this region, right? Let me just mind my spelling, right? So buyers are aggressive in this region. And so if you see buyers aggressive in this region, but the market breaks below them, you need to understand and ask yourself, what is going on in this region, right? Who is in control? And so the candle, the most